Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day. I'm Johan Malan, and today, Thursday, 19 October 2023, I have 11 charts to look at that could potentially boost your trading profits for today. The first pick of the day is a potential short on the Dax. But before we proceed, remember that trading carries risk and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And at the end of this video, as always, I will show you my favorite trade idea for today. So grab your notepads and let's get started. Now let's get back to the DAX. Very strong euro. The dollar being very strong, showing the US markets wants to be bearish, and the DAX has got a bearish trend and it's busy with a retracement. It broke out this sideways range yesterday afternoon. So there was a little bit of a short if you were in time with that, but now the break and now the retest, I'm getting interested at the 50% level here of the Fibonacci. So it's like a downtrend, consolidation and a breakdown. So this retest, I will look for 4-hour reversals or 1-hour reversals. I'm waiting to get an entry. And the CAD Swiss, lovely. I got the shorts up there and we've got all our 1 hour's targets hit. The 4-hour missed the 1.618 fib, and then yesterday as I saw it start to come down, I did a partial close instead of everything, because obviously if you look at this here, you'll see here that we got another brand new breakout trade. So we had a consolidation, another breakout. So I still honored my target by doing another partial close, closing half of what I would have closed there. And then I went out and said, right, where can I find another level? So I found this level here and I say, right, and it's trading right at that level now. I said, right, this is a all in all old support resistance level. So I decided to put it there, and that's what we got now, that final target. But it's not the end of the world. The actual trade was done and dusted at the 1.618 pips. So we shorted up there with a risk reward, a risk of roughly 20-25 pips, and here we gained 80 pips. So that's more than 1 to 3 risk reward down there. Actually, the little bit that got down there was a 1 to 4 risk reward, plus all the H1 profit. So lovely trade, lovely short, and we're now done with this trade. In my books, it is now closed. CAD Swiss still on my radar for trades, so I'm still waiting now for the retracement back to this area here. You can see the support resistance there. If I bring in another Fibonacci there, you see the Fibonacci there. If I bring it in there, the 50-61%, that is the whole area there I am interested in. So that's what I'm going to trade. On the retracement, I'll get back into the trade. CAD much weaker than the Swiss. And the Euro Yen, I gave this to you yesterday on the video. I never entered the trade here. You see it tested, but this was not a piercing line. Another reason why you should understand your candle patterns very well. So this one, this white candle should have closed above the halfway mark of the black candle to make it a reversal signal. So I stepped aside on this one, and it's no trade, and for today I remove it from my charts. Then our gold trade, we went long on this breakout there. We got out to our first target at 19, just below 1950. It's now bouncing and holding. My final target is just below 1970. You can even push it up to $2,000 if you want to. I'm still waiting for this retracement. If it comes back, I will consider adding again at 1930 on a 1 hour or a 4-hour candle reversal. But lovely trade. We're making great money after this long year. We got another opportunity for another long, so I am very chuffed with myself at present. Nasdaq lost money on the 1 hour trade. We did the bounce, and then as the dollar strengthened yesterday on the news, it just faded on us completely, taking me out at a full loss. Now, with the dollar so strong, at stock market bearish, although the trend is up, although we're hitting a support market structure, I will not take a long here because that's completely against my rules. I'm not going to trade on a strong dollar, stock market bullish. So for now, this one is off my list for today. In the Euro CAD, I gave this trade to you yesterday. We had the break of this pattern, the break, the retest, and then the 1 hour reversal. Very nice bullish engulfing, wrapping around 1.5 bodies here, but more than enough. Got the 1 hour trade there, and then as always the sweet spot, trying to add to the trade. Halfway mark of the long white, and that got picked up also. Very nicely done. So this risk from there to there was about 40 pips with some slippage. And this one here was roughly 25 to 30 pips risk there. So this one here, we're up already 70, 80 pips On that one, we are up 50, 60 pips. So with this new high there, I am going to trail the stop loss on the 1 hour charts down to this level here. And also I will take a profit now. I'm going to take out something here. I will show you now. If you look at the last 1 hour swing here, I will look at this and we are hitting 1.27. You can push now further. Well, the balance of the trade, I'll go for 1.618 FIP. That's definitely a next level target for me. I'm going to mark this 1.27. I will close the trade right now after this video. Or you can say, right, I'm going to use the 4 hour swings. That adds just a little bit there. Oh, it's actually the same. It gives us the same 1.27. So that actually convinces me more to take off something here and then move the 1.618 FIP to that level. I think let's stick with the 4 hours. I've changed my mind while I'm making the video. So I'm going to exit that one now, and then I'll push the balance of the trade through to the 1.618 FIP, which could then be, this one is giving a 70, 80 pip, and that will give us 110 pips on a 30 to 40 pip risk, which is amazing risk reward, and that's what I'm after. Comfortable with that. In the Euro US, this is a bad trade also. I showed you this level here. I said be nimble. I'm going to be, it's not at a FIP level, so I took it small, this one, and we got a nice reversal there. If I zoom in, you'll see here the bounce, the piercing line, closing above the halfway mark, 100% correct. I took the trade, I took the halfway mark, and I lost money on this trade. So sorry guys, but this was a bad one. We must get used to losses every now and then. We had two bad ones here on the Euro US and the Nasdaq, but the other trades, the gold and the Euro CAD and all those trades are making up tremendously for that. So that's why it's important to have a good risk reward, that you make more money when you're right than when you're wrong, that you can take a couple of knocks if needed. So for today, the Euro US, I will move that also off. I'm not going to attend to this chart today. Euro US there not in favor of any direction. Then the Aussie, this one I said yesterday I want to short. It looks so bearish, but my relative strength is part of my rules, and I said to you I will not take the short up there due to my rules not coming together. I said to you if it breaks through this level here, this rising trend line, I will then consider a short, providing that changed, and it did change. I did short there, but unfortunately with this kind of short you got quite a sizable stop loss of about 40 to 45 pips, and we are up 50, 60. I would like to see these lows. I will then take off half my position at the support level, then I will move beyond that Fibonacci levels, well, let's say 1.27 roughly here. For now I will see when it gets closer to that. My first focus is now to get on the support level. A first target, I'll close half my position there and I'll let the rest run or then trail stop loss. Then the Aussie yen did the same kind of thing, but I did not trade this. I just like the Aussie much weaker than the yen, so I've marked this Fibonacci swing with a retracement back to the 61% at this market structure. Also the retest of this wedge scenario, or you can almost call this a flag pattern, but a retest. I will get interested later today. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. I want to hear from you. Please drop your questions, share your experiences, or tell me which trading opportunities you are eyeing in the comments below. So let's move on to the US CAD. Rising bottoms, flat top, nice break, dollar way stronger than the CAD. So I'm waiting for the retest here so that I can look at some 1 hour reversals or 4 hour reversals, but I do like this setup a lot. It's a very nice strong pattern on the larger time frame here. Then my favorite setup for today is a long on Brent oil. But first, if you're new to this channel and find this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so I can keep making content like this for you. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to ensure you don't miss out on my daily trade ideas. So now let's get back to Brent, the long. I've identified this lateral support level at this market structure here. It's exactly the resistance there, became exactly the support there, which is a very strong indication. Now retracing into the zone, so at the 50% Fibonacci. So I'm going to look here for 4 hour or 1 hour candle reversals, and then I will enter some long trades there. I've been trading since 2003, and if you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the links in the description to join my mentorship program and open a trading account with a trusted broker, which I've been using since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Don't forget to trade responsibly, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Until then, trade well.